All right, so this is from the Pocket Anger Manager. Um, so what I want to try to do is give me some problems. Give me some problems, some things that are problems. Just kind of like, give me some examples of things that you experience in your own life, in your own relationships that are problems. So I'll give you an example. Dishes in the sink. Dishes, right? What's another problem?
Money bills.
Money, finances, right? Finances. What's another problem?
Communication.
Be more specific. Domination. Okay, we'll use domination. Okay.
So
Be a little bit more specific. Communication. Yelling.
yelling, silent treatment.
Okay, let's go yelling. Silent treatment. Okay, let's say sex. All right. So what we want to do is we want to practice putting these things into an I statement. Uh, problem. I feel. I need. Okay. So if we were going to practice, right? How would you put, we got to imagine a problem with these, right? So when I see dishes in the sink, I feel frustrated. I need us to figure out a way to keep the sink clean. Okay? So I want us to go through these things and practice making I statements, okay? So who wants to take the first one? Okay, so when we're not handling finances and paying bills on time, I feel overwhelmed. I need us to come up with a plan for taking care of the business, taking care of the bills, right? Okay, good. Thank you. Who wants to take another one? Okay. When I see dishes in the sink, I feel disgusted. I think we need to figure out a plan for taking care of the dishes, right? Okay. All right. Now we got some words, right? We got some feeling. In order to do this, right? You got to have there are three parts. What's the problem? What's the feeling? And then what do you need? Okay? So it's kind of important. You got to have I'm encouraging you to have these parts. Because if you don't have those parts, what ends up happening is everything you say sounds like an accusation. When I see dishes in the sink, I think you've been sitting here watching TV all day. That's an accusation. We don't know that. And if you make that kind of accusation, what happens with your partner? Right. Now you basically have made two problems. What's the first problem? Dishes in the sink. What's the second problem? No. Yeah. That statement. I think you've been watching TV all day. That second statement is an accusation that creates a whole different problem for you. Now you accuse her. Now she's going to say, no, I haven't. Yes, you have. No, I haven't. Yes, you have. Now you totally off the dishes in the sink, and now she's defending the accusation that she's been watching TV all day.